Hey everyone, welcome to another session of BTM Math. Today we're going to go over the subtraction of feet and inches. So as you may recall from our previous module, let's say we have this measurement. This is 4 feet 10 inches. This single line designates feet. Double line designates inches. And this dash is not subtraction, but it means and. So if we were going to say this measurement out loud, then it would be 4 feet and 10 inches. So again, this would be 4 feet 10 inches. 4 feet 10 inches. Now let's go over what that looks like in a subtraction problem. So let's use the same numbers, 4 feet 10 inches. So let's say you had a piece of wood that was 4 feet 10 inches long. And we needed to cut 3 feet 2 inches off of that board. We have to figure out what the fall off would be. So if we take 4 feet 10 inches minus 3 feet 2 inches, if we start with the inches first, we know that 10 minus 2 is 8, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So in this case, our fall off would be 1 foot 8 inches. Now, this works well when the number that you're subtracting is less than the number up here. But what happens when the number on the bottom is greater than the number on the top? So let's try this again. If we have 4 feet 10 inches minus 3 feet 11 inches. And again, we want to know what the fall off is going to be. Well, we can see this number down here is greater than the number up here. And it's kind of hard to have a negative measurement. So what could we do to subtract these? Well, there's a lot of ways to do it, but my suggestion is to take this 4 and convert that into inches and add it onto here. So we know that 1 foot 0 inches equals 12 inches. So then this line here would be 3 feet. And if we take the 12 from the 1 foot that we subtracted and we add it onto the 10, we have 3 feet 22 inches. And we still need to subtract the 3 feet 11 inches. So if we start over here, 22 minus 11 is 11 inches. 3 minus 3 is 0. So our fall off is 11 inches. Now we can always go back and double check our work. If we add the answer that we got to the piece that we cut off, then we should end up with our original piece. So if we have our piece of wood, and the entire piece is 4 feet 10 inches, and we're going to put a cut in right here, and we know that this piece is 3 feet 11 inches. We already figured out what the fall off is here. This is our fall off. And we said that the fall off was 4 feet 10 inches minus 3 feet 11 inches. And again, we took the 4 foot 10 and we made that into 3 feet 22 inches minus 3 feet 11 inches. 22 minus 11 is 11, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So again, our fall off piece here should be 11 inches. To double check our math, we can take the piece that we cut, add on our fall off, and we should end up with the length of the original piece. So let's try that. If we take 3 feet 11 inches, add 0 feet 11 inches, 11 plus 11 is 22, 3 plus 0 is 3, so you have 3 feet 22 inches. We can't leave 22 inches as 22 inches. It needs to be in feet and inches. And when we end up converting it, we get 4 feet 10 inches as our final answer. If you have any other questions, please let me know.